To make it easy, you want to use your computer or laptop to do this. And then here at the desktop version, you want to sign into your YouTube TV account at tv.youtube.com. At the homepage, you want to click at the shop icon at the top right of your screen. Then you want to click on all. And if you scroll down a bit, as you can see this ViX Premium, you want to click on ViX Premium. And then you want to click on next to buy ViX Premium and add it to your membership within $9 per month and the 7th day of the free trial. And then here you can just complete your purchase by using credit or debit card or using PayPal, and then click on agree and then start the membership. And so after you complete the purchase, you want to go to the top right of your screen and then click right here on the search icon. You can do it both on your computer or TV or any streaming devices. And then you want to search for ViX Premium. And then at the ViX Premium, at the network, you want to click on it. And there you go. Right now, you can watch the ViX Premium on your smart TV and then choose any movies or show that you want to watch. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.